What are square units? So let's give an introduction to square units. In our previous video, I described to you what squaring is. Well, so squaring equals multiplication. So that means we're taking a base and we're multiplying it by itself, right? This question here asks square roots. Well, square roots involves reversing the process of squaring, right? So for instance, let's square 2. All right, so 2 to the second power, that equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. All right, so we just squared a base of 2. Okay, square root. All right, now when we find the square root, we're going to be using radical signs, and we're gonna do the reverse of squaring here, right? So square root. All right, we're going to write a radical sign. Okay, reverse of squaring. All right, let's get that in there. Reverse of squaring. Perfect, right? So let's write our radical sign, all right? Radical sign here. We're going to bring down the 4, our answer here, and we're going to place it within the radical sign. So square root of 4 equals 2. Okay, so how did I get that answer? Well, it's the same thing as squaring, right? You're just basically reversing here, right? So let's go straight into square roots. Square roots. All right, let's find the square root of 121. Well, square root of 121, what is it? It's 11. All right, and this is when knowing your multiplications, knowing them by heart, memorizing them comes into place, right? So why is the square root of 121 11? Well, because 11 to the second power equals 11 times 11, and 11 times 11 equals 121. How about the square root of 100? Well, square root of 100 equals 10. Why? Well, so let's check our answer here, right? All right. Remember that squaring is the reverse of square roots. So we got to do square root 10. What is 10 times 10? Well, 10 equals 100. And that's a brief introduction on square roots.